Creating a professional ad in the bankmarketingcenter.com portal is quick and easy. Right now, I'm inside the Classic Editor, and I'll be using this to customize a design that I found in the template library. On the right side, I'll see that I have the preview of what my ad looks like before any changes. And on the left-hand side, I have all of my customization options to customize this ad the way that I need to. So I'll just start from the very top. First, I have the details section. In the details section, I'm going to rename my project first, just so that I can remember what it is later. I also have the option to change the size of my ad to anything that I need and manage my disclosure logos as well. Now next, I'm going to move down to the body section of my ad, and this is where I can change what the copy looks like. So I'm actually going to add a few words here, and I'm going to shorten agricultural as well. So I've made a few changes to my copy, and now I'm going to go ahead and move down to the address section. Now, address boxes are just going to be a combination of the bank logo and the branch address, and there's so many different variations that I can use. So all I have to do is select the one that I want to put inside of my ad. Now I want to just go ahead and use our Facebook one, so I'm going to select the Facebook one, and then I'll just move down to updating my photo. Now in the photo section, I don't want to use any of these particular photos in this design, so instead I'm just going to click on Add Image. This is going to give me an option of adding an image that's different. So the first option I have is the upload. So if I have something on my desktop, I can go ahead and upload it here. I also have the stock images. So the stock images are just the in-portal library. So there are hundreds of thousands of photos that are inside the portal already. They're all high quality, royalty free, and unlimited usage within the portal. So all I have to do is type in a word that I'm looking for. So I'm just going to type in farm and see what pops up here. I have so many different options that I can choose from, and I just need to choose the one that I think works best. So I'm going to go ahead and select the photo I want. I can hover over anything to get a better look at it as well. So I'm going to go ahead and select this particular photo. Once I click on my photo, it's going to immediately take me to the crop tool. And the crop tool is here to make sure that no matter what the size of my ad is or the size of my photo, everything is going to match perfectly. So all I have to do is click on the crop button in the toolbar there at the top. And once I do, I'm going to have a red box that pops up. And this box is something that's just showing me what space I have to work with inside of my layout so that nothing's ever distorted. So I could just position it where I want and resize it the way that I need to as well. And then I can click on the blue crop button. It's going to resize it for me by cutting away the extra space. And then I just click save in the top left. This is going to drop my photo in the photo gallery, and I can update my ad on the side. And now it's highlighted, so I know that this is going to be something that's finalized in my ad. Now next I can move on to the colors. Now I also have a black and white option. It is initially defaulted to no, but if I were to select yes, this will turn my entire ad to black and white, which is incredibly useful if I plan on putting this ad in a local newspaper or magazine. Now, as far as the colors that are actually inside of my ad, I'm going to go ahead and update them here. So I have three options. I have color 1, color 2, and my footer color. And I have some default options listed here. The color swatch is just going to tell me what section of my ad it's referring to. So I know that green is referring to the very top. The blue is referring to the triangles that are there in the center around the photo, and then the white is actually my footer background. So I'm going to go ahead and just change my green to blue, and now that I've made all my changes, I'm going to click on the preview button to see what my final ad looks like. Once I click on preview, it opens up in a new tab for me, and it's going to show me as a vector PDF, so I know exactly what my ad looks like. I'm going to go ahead and zoom out so I get a good look at it as well. But now everything has been updated. So I made changes to my copy, I changed my photo, I changed my address box, and I even have a proof mark on here so that I can make sure that this particular ad goes through the proper approval process. And once I'm finished with making changes, if I want to update it to something different, I definitely can. So I can change my photo, hit preview again, and see if I like that one. Go ahead and let that load there, and I'll zoom out. So if I like this version better, I can go ahead and order this one. But I can customize it the way I need to. And once I finalize it, all I have to do is hit submit and process my order.